Students, till now we have seen equations where variable was there on only one side. Now we are going to see the equations where variables are there on both the sides. We have solved two examples related to such questions where there are variables on both the sides. Now let us start exercise 2.3. So here we have to solve the following equation and we also have to check the result. We know how to check the result. We have to substitute the value of x whatever we'll find. Okay, so here same transpose rules we have to follow. First we have to bring the like terms on one side. So here we'll find that 3x and 2x, these are like terms. So let us transport this 2x from this side to this side. So here it will be 3x minus 2x, because it is plus here, so it will be minus. It is equals to 18. Okay, this we have taken from this side to this side. Now 3x minus x is nothing but x is equals to 18. Okay, so this is our solution. X is equals to 18. This is our solution. Now we have to check our result, because they have asked to check the result also. So in check, what we have to do, we have to show that LHS is equals to RHS. So here let us consider our LHS is 3x is our LHS. So our LHS is 3x. Now what is the value of x? It is 18. So 3 into 18, that is nothing but it will be 54. So our LHS is 54. Now let us see what is our RHS. Our RHS is 2x plus 18. 2x plus 18. So here what is the value of x? We have find out it is 18. So substitute the value 2 into 18 plus 18. So it will be 36 plus 18. That is nothing but again it is 54. So here we'll find that LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, we can say our answer is correct. So as LHS is equals to RHS, so this verifies our solution. It means our solution is correct. Okay. Now let us see the second question of this exercise, that says 5t minus 3 is equals to 3t minus 5. Now here what is our LHS? It is 5t minus 3 and this is our RHS. So again bring these like terms on same side. So here we'll find that this 5t and 3t, they are like terms. So we'll bring them together. So it will be minus 3t is equals to minus 5 as it is. This minus 3 will go here. So it will be plus 3. Okay, so we'll find 5t minus 2t, that is 5t minus 3t, that is 2t is equals to minus 5 plus 3, that is nothing but minus 2. Integers. Okay, rules of integers. So what will be the value of t? It will be minus 2 upon 2. That is nothing but we can say t is equals to minus 1. 2 ones are and 2 ones are. This minus sign will be as it is. So here we can say that our solution is t is equals to minus 1. Now we have to check the result. Okay, and we know that to check the result, let us LHS is 5t minus 3. So what is our value of t? It is minus 1. So substitute, instead of t we have to take minus 1 and here it is minus 3. That will be minus 5 minus 3. Okay, that is nothing but minus 8. This is our LHS. Now let us see what is RHS here. Our RHS is 3t minus 5. So here what is the value of t? We have to substitute minus 1 minus 5 as it is. So it will be minus 3 minus 5. Again it is nothing but minus 8. This is our RHS. So here we'll find that LHS is equals to RHS. Hence we can say that our answer is correct. This is how we have to check the result. Okay students, moving to next question, that is question number 3. 5x plus 9 is equals to 5 plus 3x. Now again this 5x and 3x, these are like terms, so we'll bring them together. So here we can say 5x minus 3x is equals to 5 minus 9. We have taken this 9 to this side and we have bring this 3x from this side to this side. So 5x minus 3x, that is nothing but 2x, is equals to 5 minus 9, it is minus 4. So here we can say that x is equals to minus 4 upon 2, that is nothing but 2 2s are 4 and this minus sign as it is. So here we can say x is equals to minus 2. This is our solution. Now again we have to check the result. Let us check it. So here we'll find that our LHS is 5x plus 9. So substitute the value of x here, it will be minus 2 plus 9. So it will be minus 10 plus 9. So what is our LHS? It is minus 1. Okay, minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. Now let us see what is our RHS. RHS is 5 plus 3x. Okay, now after substituting the value of x, our x is minus 2. So it will be 5 minus 3 to the 6. That is nothing but again minus 1. So here we'll find that LHS is equals to RHS. Hence our answer is correct. Now let us see the next question. That is question number 4. 4z plus 3 is equals to 6 plus 2z. Again here what are the like terms? 4z and 2z. These are like terms. So we can say 4z minus 2z is equals to 6 and this 3 will go to this side. So it will be 4 minus 2 is 2z is equals to 6 minus 3. That is nothing but 3. Okay. Now what is the value of z? It will be 3 upon 2. So this is the solution. Again what we have to do? We have to check the result. Now let us see what is LHS. It is 4z plus 3. So now substitute the value of z. So z is into 3 upon 2 plus 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So we can say 2 into 3 plus 3. That is 6 plus 3. So what is our LHS? It is 6 plus 3 is 9. Now let us see what is RHS. Our RHS is 6 plus 2z. So it will be 6 plus 2 into 3 upon 2. Again this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So it will be 6 plus 3. So it will be 9. Again we'll find that our LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Hence we can say that our answer is correct. Okay. Now let us see question number 5. Now what they have given? 2x minus 1 is equals to 14 minus x. So again transfer the like terms. So 2x, this is minus x, so it will be plus x is equals to 14 minus 1 will become plus 1. So it will be 3x is equals to 14 plus 1 is 15. So x is equals to 15 upon 3, that is x is equals to 5. So this is the solution. Okay, now we have to check the result. We know how to check the result. So what is our LHS? Our LHS is 2x minus 1. Now substitute the value of x. So 2 into 5 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9. Now let us see what is RHS here. So it is 14 minus x. So what is the value of x we have find out? It is 5. So 14 minus 5. Again 14 minus 5. It is nothing but 9. So here we'll find that RHS is 9 while LHS is also 9. Therefore we can say LHS is equals to RHS. Hence our answer is correct. Okay, so that's all about question number 1 to question number 5 of exercise 2.3. Okay, next 5 questions we are going to see in next video.